happy birthday. Just want to show you my birthday cake for you, honey. See? There you are. Your birthday cake, yes. Happy birthday, Han, and I pray for a long life and more blessings to come for you. And God bless you always. I'll keep you in my prayer and in my heart. And wish to see you someday, Han. And I hope hopefully someday your cake is bigger than this, baby. See? Happy birthday from Rocky and me, and I will blow this for you, okay? Or Rocky will blow this for you, nak. Baby, baby, blow daddy's cake. Okay. Mommy, I guess mommy will blow daddy's cake, and I want to say a prayer first. Okay. Han, happy birthday. I love you so much, and I pray and wish for all the blessing comes our way, in your way, Lord, in your way, and I pray good health and long, 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 long life to come. I wanna sing a song for you while holding your cake, hand. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, honey. I love you. Come, come. Come, wait, 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 daddy. Wait, Han. Wait, 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 wait. Baby. Okay. Okay, that's Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy, happy birthday. I love you, I love you. Okay, honey, and the Bible says in John 15:7, if you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be given unto you. And that's the promises of the Lord, and we know that the Lord, when He promised something, He will do it, and right? And He just wants us to remain in Him, in His love, and He wants us to stay, and He wants us to remain in His care and His love for us. Honey, here I am again, my beautiful English. Sorry, Han, and I just want to say thank you. I thank the Lord for giving me someone like you, Han. You're such a blessing, and I wish and pray for a good life ahead with you, honey. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday,